morning folks. So today we'll be talking about these two products purchased from, see this, Agile Pro Studio. So I purchased these from the event which happened in Goa, the Royal Enfield's event, the Motorbike 2024. So they had an outlet over there and got these two over there. So let's quickly look at these today and see how they are performing. Just take a quick snap. Good. Okay, so we'll start with the tire protector. Cool. So as far as I know, when I spoke to these guys, they told they have done quite a research on these products, and they tried to say it's like almost vaporizes as soon as you spray it on any of the place that you are putting in, maybe especially on the tires. So, and I like the design. So they have this nice lock. This is for lock it, and they have this off and on. A nice spraying mechanism. It doesn't leak over here like the other products does. So pretty good design over here as well. You can see the nozzle, and I like the finish of this as well. It's quite good. It's 300 ml and it costed me around 699 rupees, which I got it through a courier. They didn't have this product at that time, so they had to send it across over the courier, and it reached in a week. So I'll show some pictures after this and the video of my bike which I did this. So the best way to use this is to make sure that you clean your bike first, like do a quick wash and make sure there are no residues or any other stuff on the bike. And then once you have it, just keep your bike aside and then just spray it. And let me quickly see how this shows on this. But yeah, the spray is pretty good, and it does this spray across this whole area, so that's pretty nice. So this is the tire protector and dresser, and you don't have to take a cloth and wipe completely of the tire or a sponge. Just spray it across the tire and let it dry for some time. And if at all you see any extra residue, then you can just wipe it off with a normal cloth. And apart from that, nothing to do. Seriously, I tried and it worked amazing. And let's look at the other one, which is the Indian engine protector. And right now, this works really nice. Those who are lazy and they don't want to use a brush and clean off the engine, just do a normal wash and just go there and just spray it, and it works like magic. And just make sure there are some warning signs, so avoid breathing this mist or vapor. Use only in well ventilated areas, so make sure that you're somewhere in your parking lot or somewhere outside, but don't sit in the direct sun and start spraying it on the device or your bike. It might not give the right result. So avoid prolonged exposure to this, and always keep out of reach of children. That's for sure. And yes, so there are some directions to use. So what I did, rather than going through all this, so I just washed my bike, took a normal cloth, wiped off all the water that it had, let it dry for some time, and then I put it in the shade and let the water completely dry off my bike, and just went and just did a normal spray. You can't spray because you see this mechanism. There's this nice mechanism they put here. You just slide it, it just falls into that slot, and then you will be able to spray it. That's nice. So I'm just staying away not to breathe it. But yes, it almost like water, but like the other products that I have tried, the one which comes with the yellow color, that it's kind of a shining thing, but this works like magic. So you just spray it and leave it to dry, and you don't have to do anything. You just have to wipe only the products or only the extra liquid that you see that is dropping. If you spray it more, just wipe it off. Other than that, you don't have to do anything. So I tried it twice. Today I did it for a second time, and it worked like magic. So give it a try and see how it works for your bike. But yes, read the instructions and keep it away from kids. And this is from Agile Pro Studio, and you can do an online order and they should be able to send it to your home. And yeah, so let's look at the price again. For the tire protector, it is $6.99, and the engine brightener costs you around $7.99. But yes, little expensive, but they do the job well, and you'll be able to clean your bike and make it shine like a new bike in minutes. You don't have to take a cloth and wipe across everything. Once you spray it across all the engine and the tire, just go wipe off the extra droplets and everything is done and ready. So I'll share some videos and photos after this at the end of it. So look at it and you will be the judge, good or bad. So but for me it went good. But yes, you will definitely get compliments looking people around you. If you're having an old bike and you're using these two, you will get the compliments from a couple of people who are looking at after a long time, shining. But yeah, I'm not promoting any of these, but I will leave it to you guys to give a try and see how these work on your bike. And let me know if anyone else has tried this, and if you see any side effects or anything that it is ripping off any paint on your engine, so do let me know. But so far it has not done any damage to the paint of my bike. And yes, some warnings: make sure you don't spray it on the disc brakes, because this has this light oilish kind of a finish on the water in spray. So make sure, even if it accidentally spilled on the disc brakes, make sure you wipe it off with a tissue, because tissue will make sure that it absorbs most of the oil out of it. But yes, that's a warning. Yes, so make sure don't put it on your disc brakes, because all the shining types do have this oilish kind of a finish. So make sure you don't do it on there. Yeah, this is the quick and tried product. I tried it twice in a month and it works like a charm. Give a try and let me know if you guys have tried this. If not, give it a shot. And thank you for watching my video, and I hope you all drive safe and be peaceful and take care of your health, and always ride with gear, at least a helmet and street gloves. Take care. Yeah, this is the on and off. This is a very nice mechanism. Press this side and it is good for engine protector. So we'll have to do an initial wash and then just spray it on the engine, nothing else. Let it dry. We'll do the same for this. Let it dry.